Hey guys, it's Jacob with eTrailer. If you've been on the internet and you're looking for the parts that you need to flat tow your vehicle, you've probably come across a lot of different kinds of tow bars. There's going to be two major categories of them that we're going to talk about today: vehicle mounted and RV mounted. The first type we're going to talk about are the RV mounted tow bars. These are going to install into your rear receiver with a hitch pin, and the great thing about these is they're actually going to stay attached to your RV, so you can keep them on there and tow as many flat towable vehicles as you need to. An RV mounted tow bar is going to connect to your towed vehicle via a crossbar, direct connect tabs, or a twist lock setup like the one that we have here. The next type of tow bar setup is going to be vehicle mounted. Now this connects your vehicle to your RV via a coupler or a lunette ring that's attached to your RV's ball mount or pintle hook. The thing about this is the base plate is going to be connected to your vehicle, so it is going to need to be removed whenever you're driving your car. So I know what you're thinking, which one is right for me? These vehicle mounted tow bar setups are going to be a little bit heavier, but they are going to be a bit more budget friendly. So you're going to have to take them off whenever you're not using them, but they are a great option if that's your concern. The RV mounted tow bar setup, however, is going to be a bit more of a permanent installation. It's going to be easier once it's installed, but they are going to be a bit on that pricier side. One final thing to note is these vehicle mounted tow bar setups are going to be great if you're delivering, renting, potentially leasing an RV where you're going to need to be towing the same vehicle behind multiple RVs. Obviously, if the RV is going to be the constant, you're going to be towing multiple vehicles, you're going to want the RV setup. So just pick whichever one is more applicable to your situation. Well guys, hopefully we have helped you decide which tow bar setup is right for you. If you have any questions or need a specific suggestion, leave it in the comments section below, and take care. All right guys, if you thought that was helpful, click over here to see another one of our videos. Click down here to subscribe to our channel so you can get updated for all of our content, and click over here for a playlist about the things that you just watched. Thank you so very much for watching, and take care.